Hi, this is Heather from CloudSponge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare for your Microsoft OAuth project. So to begin, you'll need to become part of the Microsoft Cloud Partner Program. Your project will not be verified if you're not part of the partner program. Next, there are a few things that you'll want to gather. Your proxy URL, also known as a redirect URI. And if you completed Google OAuth, you can use the same proxy URL. You're also going to want your logins for Microsoft and your CloudSponge account. You'll need a logo from your website, and then links to your home page, your privacy policy, and your terms of service. If you're in our Help Center under Provider Credentials, you can go to Microsoft, and we have a handy link there for app registrations. And I actually have mine open here. So the first thing that we will do is click New Registration, and then we're going to fill this out. Then click on the middle one that says Accounts in any organizational directory and personal Microsoft accounts. And then, excuse me, let me get my face out of the way. Then we're going to click on Web, and we will grab our redirect URI. And click to register. This can take a moment, so I'm just going to pause. Okay, now we can go into branding and properties. And we'll add a logo. It's best to have a square logo, otherwise it gets a little bit bunched up. And then we're going to grab those links I was telling you about. So your home page, your terms of service, and your privacy policy. All right, and then these can be left blank. We'll come back and verify the domain later. After you've filled out the branding and properties, head on over to API permissions. We're going to use Graft, and then we're looking for contacts.read. We will update these permissions. And then we can go over to certificates and secrets. You're going to create a new client secret. I recommend that you bump this up to 24 months and then just click add. You can, record the value. It's important that you do that now. You won't be able to do it later. But if you do forget to record it, you're just going to go back in and create another client secret. Okay, and then we can pop over to Overview, and we're going to grab the application client ID. Okay, so now we're going to add everything into the CloudSponge account. You go into your project and then to Provider Credentials. And we're going to click here to configure your Microsoft credentials. Let's grab our proxy URL. Need our client ID. Client ID is also known as the application ID. And then we're going to pop in the value. And then we'll click Save. Right now it's not going to accept this with the current proxy URL. All right, so that's it for now. You'll go back in later and go over to branding and properties over here to configure your domain, and that's where you'll set up your domain for this account. And then you can click verify and save. All right, thank you.